So, like before getting into the methodology, I discussed that we can also look to, identify some of the patterns in our portfolio which are of no use to us at the moment. So, are non-core patterns or have non-core applicability. For example, you have a patent and you see that there is a player in the market who is just about to, emerge in the top players, but they don't have a portfolio set of their own. So again, and that is not operating in your direct business lines. So what you can do is you can easily generate some licensing campaigns against those companies, because you don't have the fear of them getting back to you with a counter assertion or a renegotiation deal. So it's easy to target companies in your non-core domain as compared to the companies who are in your direct competitors, because that again poses a threat that they can also come back to you with their portfolio set. So even if you haven't really tagged your patents into different technological buckets, what you can do is quickly use the automated ranking tool to identify some of the key areas in your domain, in your portfolio, which are non-core to your business. So we did this exercise for one of our clients where they had like 20,000 patents in their portfolio. One of the easiest step is to, remove the patent that are categorized in the core CPCs. So this particular client of ours was an automated industrial tools manufacturing company. So we directly removed the patents which were relevant to their core business, and then we analyzed the remaining patent subset. Another way of looking into this is, for example, if you have a patent portfolio, you can look into the CPCs or the class codes of your forward citation, because that is an important factor when you're considering that your patent might be applicable to a particular domain when you have just filed it. But say in 10 years or 15 years, you realize that the patents or the patent owners in other domains, operating domains, are also citing your patent because your patent is now being applied to different industries. So that sort of analysis you can do to obtain a patent set and use that with an automated ranking tool to prioritize patents and quickly screen through them. So what we did here was, after we obtained the subset, we ran that through the automated ranking tool. We picked around 100 patents for the manual analysis, and in the 100 patent set we quickly tagged them. For example, the first patent was related to wireless audio, then we know that the market area applicable here would be automobile or the mobile. Similarly, if a patent is related to a user interface, we know that it might be applicable to mobile. It might be applicable to other areas, but again, the restrictions in the claim allow that this patent is only applicable to, say, a wireless device or a handheld device for that matter. So accordingly, we have created those market tags. We combined the market tags with the automated ranking tool to visualize the data in a way. So I will just move to the analysis part, how we analyze the data. So in the x-axis, you would see that these are the automated ranking tool scores that we have obtained for different patents, and these are the number of patents in different market areas. So these are all the non-core market areas for that particular automotive and industrial tool manufacturer. So you would see that there are patents in the smartphone which are, again, in the numbers also they are high, and also in the terms of quality these orange bars are there. So the patents in the ranking of 80 and above, and also in the score of 70 and above, so they are there in this smartphone category. And also it also has a number of patents in the rank of 50s. So we can pick this technological domain or the market area to begin with. And also, if you see the analysis, you can realize that there is a patent set in navigation and maps. There is a patent set in virtual assistant. So all these two are also an essential part of the smartphone these days. So you can club these together, and you can then go back to your methodology step and change the automated ranking tool again. In that particular aspect, you can keep a tap on the forward citation assignees to and keep a score for the top smartphone manufacturers for that matter, say Apple, Google, and so on. So you can do that. And again, I mean, this is just an example, and you can apply this to any industry to smartly analyze the portfolio and visualize your data in a quick way to determine what are the non-core patent applicabilities for you.